Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are learning English language, in this video, I am teach all about English language. So, let's get started. Introduction to English language. English is a global language spoken by millions of people worldwide. It is the main language used in business, education, entertainment, and international communication. What is English? English is a language that started in Anglo-Saxon England. It belongs to the West Germanic family of languages and is now spoken in many countries around the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and India. Importance of English. Global communication. English is the main language used in international business, technology, and travel. Cultural exchange. Many books, movies, and songs are in English, which helps people from different cultures connect with each other. Basic components of the English language. Alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Phonetics. English pronunciation can be tricky because some letters have different sounds in different words. For example, the letter C sounds different in cat and circus. Thanks for watching. Click the like, subscribe and share button.